This election was not rigged by any standard. Former Ekiti State Governor Ayo Fayose.
Let me tell you, this is not about noise. If there's anything wrong with Nigeria, something is wrong with leadership, something is wrong with followership. All this noise is a waste of time.
You call what they're saying. I mean,
I will
calling
come to
for
that.
justice. You're calling that noise?
I will come to that because that was why I said, let me lay a foundation very briefly. And that was why I told you, you need experience. You don't need noise. One of the good things that has happened in this election is the third force. Obi, the third force. Nobody could call this election until the end of this election. Whatever your permutation, you couldn't call this election. Because, in fact, no one could say that Obi will come with this great showing. And quite impressive. I want to salute his courage. I want to continue to say that this is good for Nigeria. But I want to equally stand there to tell you this election was not rigged at all by any standard.
This election was not rigged?
By any standard. And I'm going to give you the facts.
By all means.
Before I give you the facts, let me first of all fault the people I saw here today. They are calling themselves civil society. No, they are PDP members. The person that first spoke on behalf of the so-called protesters here is Yusuf from Oyo State. He's a PDP member. Contested in 2019.
The gentleman on the screen.
This gentleman you are looking at on the screen is a good brother of mine. The young lady is this young lady too. She's from Oyo State. They are all PDP members.
Members of your own party.
Of our own party. All this, if you see rally, protest, you will see the thickness of the rally. You will see the spontaneous reaction. These are paid agents. These are people doing this to just show Nigerians that we are not happy.